Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making pineapple sponge cake. For this we need all-purpose flour or maida, egg, castor sugar, butter, pineapple slices, baking powder, baking soda and vanilla essence. So first separate egg yolk from egg white. Now in egg yolk I am adding 150 grams of castor sugar or grinded sugar and mix it well. Add butter, approximately 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix it again. Now I will beat egg white. We have to beat it approximately 10 to 15 minutes till the consistency of egg white will be doubled. Now you can see our egg white is very properly beaten. Now add few drops of vanilla essence in egg yellow mixture. Mix it well and then add egg white and very gently mix them. Now take refined flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and strain them. Now mix them using your hand. Now add them into egg mixture till you find very smooth consistency. Now take a cake mold, add butter paper and add the batter. Now add pineapple slices and on preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now garnish it with cherries and pineapple slices, and your homemade pineapple sponge cake is ready. Thank you.